Cyber threats are evolving every day, and staying ahead is more important than ever. But here's the real question: are you prepared to handle the next big cyber attack? Today, we're testing your cybersecurity IQ with a fast-paced, interactive quiz. Stick around until the end to see how you score and learn essential tips to protect yourself online. Ready? Let's dive in. Before moving forward, please thumbs up this video and click on the subscribe button and join our community to get more quizzes, tips, guides, and cybersecurity insights. 1. What is a common sign of a phishing email? A. Urgent language. B. Professional tone. C. No attachments. D. Spelling errors. The correct answer is A. Urgent language. 2. Which of the following is a strong password? A. 123,456. B. Password. C. QW3Rudy, at hashtag. D. Letmain. The correct answer is C. QW3Rudy, at hashtag. 3. What does two-factor authentication provide? A. Increased speed. B. Greater security. C. More convenience. D. Less complexity. The correct answer is B. Greater security. 4. What should you do if you receive a suspicious link? A. Click it to see where it leads. B. Delete the email. C. Verify with the sender. D. Copy and paste it into a browser. The correct answer is C. Verify with the sender. 5. What is ransomware? A. A type of antivirus. B. Malware that encrypts files. C. A social engineering tactic. D. A network security tool. The correct answer is B. Malware that encrypts files. 6. Which software should you regularly update to maintain security? A. Word processors. B. Operating systems. C. Games. D. Web browsers. The correct answer is B. Operating systems. 7. What is a VPN used for? A. To improve internet speed. B. To hide your IP address. C. To clean your computer. D. To block ads. The correct answer is B. To hide your IP address. 8. Which is a sign of a compromised account? A. Unusual login attempts. B. Frequent password changes. C. Extra security measures. D. Increased email storage. The correct answer is A. Unusual login attempts. 9. What is social engineering? A. Technical hacking. B. Manipulating people for information. C. Developing security software. D. Creating strong passwords. The correct answer is B. Manipulating people for information. 10. What does HTTPS indicate? A. High traffic site. B. Secure communication. C. Outdated site. D. High loading speed. The correct answer is B. Secure communication. 11. Which of these is a safe online practice? A. Using the same password everywhere. B. Sharing your password with friends. C. Regularly backing up data. D. Clicking on unknown ads. The correct answer is C. Regularly backing up data. 12. What is the purpose of a firewall? A. To speed up your network. B. To block unauthorized access. C. To clean malware. D. To monitor employee activities. The correct answer is B. To block unauthorized access. 13. What should you do with outdated software? A. Ignore it. B. Uninstall it. C. Update it. D. Keep using it. The correct answer is C. Update it. 14. What does malware stand for? A. Malicious software. B. Malware and risks. C. Malicious web application. D. Malware analysis tools. The correct answer is A. Malicious software. 15. Which of these is a common type of cyber attack? A. Phishing. B. Spear throwing. C. Social networking. D. Data backup. The correct answer is A. Phishing. 16. What is the most effective way to protect sensitive data? A. Encryption. B. Storing in plain text. C. Using weak passwords. D. Avoiding antivirus software. The correct answer is A. Encryption. 17. How often should you change your passwords? A. Every month. B. Every year. C. Only when you suspect a breach. D. Not at all. The correct answer is A. Every month. 18. What is the first step in responding to a cyber attack? A. Analyze the damage. B. Verify the incident. C. Inform others. D. Change passwords. The correct answer is B. Verify the incident. 19. What should you do with suspicious downloads? A. Open them immediately. B. Delete them. C. Scan with antivirus first. D. Share with friends. The correct answer is C. Scan with antivirus first. 20. Which of the following can help protect your personal data? A. Using public Wi-Fi freely. B. Sharing your passwords. C. Using strong, unique passwords. D. Ignoring privacy settings. The correct answer is C. Using strong, unique passwords. 21. What is the primary purpose of antivirus software? A. To speed up your computer. B. To detect and remove malware. C. To block all internet traffic. D. To back up data. The correct answer is B. To detect and remove malware. 22. Which of these is a common type of malware? A. Virus. B. Browser. C. Firewall. D. Router. The correct answer is A. Virus. 23. Which of these is a best practice for email security? A. Using your work email for personal use. B. Avoiding unknown attachments. C. Sharing passwords via email. D. Using simple passwords. The correct answer is B. Avoiding unknown attachments. 24. What type of attack involves overwhelming a server with traffic? A. Phishing. B. DDoS. C. Man-in-the-middle. D. SQL injection. The correct answer is B. DDoS. 25. What should you do if your device is lost or stolen? A. Do nothing. B. Report it to authorities. C. Change all your passwords. D. Notify your IT department. The correct answer is D. Notify your IT department. 26. Which of these is an indicator of a secure website? A. HTTP in the URL. B. HTTPS in the URL. C. No URL. D. A pop-up warning. The correct answer is B. HTTPS in the URL. 27. What should you do if you receive a suspicious email? A. Click on the links. B. Delete it immediately. C. Forward it to IT. D. Reply to the sender. The correct answer is C. Forward it to IT. 28. What does 2FA stand for? A. Two-factor authentication. B. Two-file access. C. Two firewall applications. D. Two-form access. The correct answer is A. Two-factor authentication. 29. Which of the following is a secure way to connect to public Wi-Fi? A. Using a VPN. B. Turning off Wi-Fi. C. Using HTTP sites. D. Sharing your connection. The correct answer is A. Using a VPN. 30. What should you do with software updates? A. Ignore them. B. Install them regularly. C. Only update when necessary. D. Turn off automatic updates. The correct answer is B. Install them regularly. How did you score? If you got most of these right, congratulations, you're one step closer to being cyber ready. If not, don't worry, learning is the first step. For more quizzes, tips, guides, and cybersecurity insights, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, we'll stay one step ahead of the threats. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.